Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about Becca's Party Popper Ultimate Lipstick Love mini set that I have right here, and how cute and adorable is the packaging. It definitely is like a party popper. Alright, so in the front right here you can see they have all the colors laid out, which I absolutely love. So on the side right here is the description about the product, and then on the very back right here, of course, we have the ingredients listed, and then on the other side is where you actually can like open this up. So when you pull this up, obviously it just says Becca right here, and then you have your lip products in here. So there are a total of 3 shades. Alright, so the packaging of this is actually very pretty. It's very chic, which I definitely really like. And of course, on the very bottom, as per usual, there's always like the shade name, and of course they do have like a bit of a swatch for you. Alright, so when you open these lipsticks up and you twist it up, and at first glance when you look at it, it literally looks like you are getting so little product, and I was like, whoa, this product for so much of a price, I'm just like, I don't know if it's a good deal or not. But if you do look closely, and also if you do compare it to other like maybe like mini or like deluxe lipstick size, you can definitely tell, especially like the width of the lipstick, it is more like wider, so it definitely does carry quite a bit of a product. Sometimes, you know, when you just look at it, you're just like, you know what I mean. As for these lip products right here, wow, they are very smooth on the lips. Like when you just apply it on, pigmentation is like really good. Like one swipe, the color just transfers on. It feels so lightweight. It literally feels like you're really not wearing anything. It's like that lightweight. It's very creamy, very smooth, very velvety. It just feels so nice on the lips. It kind of almost feels like butter on the lips. It is literally that good. Unfortunately, these are not long lasting, so you definitely do need to like touch up. Alright, so let's try them on. Alright, so the first color that I'm going to try here, this is called Sea Sugar. Alright, so what are your thoughts on this color? I personally think it is a little bit too light for me, but what I will say is that this is really good for like those like no makeup look days. Aside from that, I probably won't really wear this color on its own, but I will wear this especially if I need to like tone down like another lip color that is like maybe like too bold or too bright. So what I would do is I'd probably like mix it with this nude color. The next color that I'm going to try, this is called Sea Orchid. Alright, so what are your thoughts on this color? Wow, it is so pretty. I literally cannot just stop looking at my lips for some reason. It's a color that I would definitely for sure wear quite often. Final color that we have here, this is W Rosewood. Alright, so what do you guys think of this color? I feel like this color is a little bit too much for me, especially not within like my shade range of colors that I would like choose and wear. So usually what I would do is I would like find like a nude lipstick, or for instance I'll probably take this one from the set, and then I'll probably just apply on like a thin layer on top, and I'll just like mix it up together so it is a little bit lighter, and I feel like it is more wearable, especially considering like my skin color. My final final thoughts on this lip set right here. First of all, I definitely love the pigmentation. Is really good, as you guys just saw. I love the formula. It feels so comfortable on the lips. It literally feels like you're not wearing anything, and it's very moisturizing, very hydrating, doesn't dry your lips or anything like that, since a lot of you guys know that I do have sensitive lips and I do test out like quite a lot of like lip products, and I am definitely for sure going to pick up more colors to try and test out from this line. If you were to ask me, is this set a good deal, I would say yes and no, depending on you. So let's say for instance you absolutely love all of the colors in the set, it is for sure a really good deal. Let's say maybe you like only 2 colors, I would say it's still a good deal. Or let's say if you only like 1 color, I would say it's probably not a good deal. It's probably better if you just purchase like the full size color instead. Or maybe if you do like split this between like your siblings, your sister, or like your friends, obviously it is a good deal. And if you were to get this for someone as like a Christmas present, I'm sure they will absolutely love it, especially if they're like a huge lipstick lover like me. And this is also really great as like a stocking stuffer too, so it really depends on how much you like in this set. All right, and I only paid 25 USD for this whole entire thing, and it says that the value is 54 USD. So obviously it is a good deal if you like all of the colors as I just mentioned before. So what do you guys think of Becca lip products? Like, have any of you guys tried it? Do you guys like it? Or do you guys feel like there's like a similar brand that's like very similar to this? Maybe for instance ColourPop just always pops into my mind for some reason. Alright, so feel free to let me know your thoughts down in the comments, because you guys know I will definitely will be reading them. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.